Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So yesterday I posted about tools for social media marketing, which was part one. So today I'm going to talk about a few more tools. So I consider this to be part two, and there will be at least one or two more parts after this. So today I'm going to talk a little more advanced tools from what I spoke about yesterday, and there'll be more advanced tools which I'll speak about tomorrow. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please share my videos. So let's dive in and let me share my slides with you. So first, I'm going to talk about automated workflows. So as a social marketer, you would be using multiple applications altogether to derive maximum output for through those applications for your social media channels and your marketing efforts. So you will be talking to web tools, web applications, and devices, and all of that. Now, in order to get a complete control of this, you would need some tools. And Zapier is one such tool, and as well as IFTT. If if this, then that. So that's what IFTT means. So you would need these tools to be able to communicate with web applications. Like, let's say you are using Google Forms or Google or Microsoft some application, which is essentially you're connecting through the web, or you're using it on multiple devices, or even if you're using email service providers like MailChimp or GetResponse, and there are so many others to drive your autoresponder through, drive your drip marketing through autoresponders. So you would need to connect with multiple devices, multiple applications, and hence you would need these kinds of automated workflows, automated workflow tools, which Zapier and IFTT offers. And you also would need to track the performances of all these efforts that you take to reach out to your targeted customers. So automated workflow tools is one such critical tool which you need to have. The second one is, of course, the email capture, and Sumo happens to be a very good application for email capture and also building campaigns. So if you're building that marketing strategy to drive traffic to your social media platforms and also track social media activities in one platform, Sumo is one such very, very useful tool that I think you should use because it also allows you to track through your email marketing campaigns as well. So you analyze all of that, all your campaigns, email campaigns, your drip marketing campaigns, and you optimize that in order to derive maximum benefit for your campaign, for your brand, for your product or services. So email capture tool is second such tool that you need to have to be able to provide that leg up for your social media efforts. And third one for today would be for advertising and marketing. So AdExpresso, which is a Hootsuite product, is an ideal product to create campaigns and manage it from one place. So you can actually build multiple campaigns across and also manage that and also schedule all of that using Hootsuite scheduler. And you pretty much spend very little time to putting all these things together so that you can manage your you can manage your as an ad manager for all the campaigns that you could be running at a given point in time, or at a multiple campaigns over a period of time. So you can do all of that through Ad Espresso. You manage your campaigns, you analyze your campaigns. That's very critical because you need to optimize that. You also need to collaborate with a bunch of brands, probably even third-party apps, and you can do that through Ad Espresso. So you learn all that, you build the campaigns, you make money out of it, and that's the whole advantage that you get when you're using Ad Espresso. So, so to repeat three points here, three aspects about on tools for social media marketing, automated workflows. So consider using Zapier, IFTT. For email capture, you consider using Sumo. And for advertising and marketing, consider using Ad Espresso. And that should hold you in good stead for your campaigns. So that's what I had to discuss and talk to you about today. I will come back with a set of three little more advanced tools tomorrow. Until then, thank you very much. My name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 3 years of global experience. You would find my LinkedIn URL in the description down below. Please feel free to connect with me. If you want a copy of this tutorial or subscribe to my newsletters, please subscribe. There's a URL to fill up, to a form to fill up. And I work with a lot of companies and startups. If you are looking to engage me as your consultant, please click yes on the third field of the form, and I shall get back to you and probably jump into a conference call with you. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my video. Please share my video with people who could find this interesting and useful. And I'll see you soon. Thank you and bye-bye.